Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how you can transfer a YouTube channel to another Google or Gmail account. So it's very easy and straightforward, and I'm going to show you the best way on how you can do that. First up, you obviously need to open up YouTube and you need to go to your account. But before that, you need to have a brand account. What's a brand account? Is that you just need to go to YouTube Studio and just make sure you go to settings and then channel and then advanced settings, and then you need to go to manage YouTube account. Okay, and right over here you'll see the option of channel managers, and if I press on it right over here, as you can see that I do have a brand account and I can use it. So now what do you actually have to do to get a brand account? You just press on view advanced settings, and then you'll see the option of move channel, and then you'll see the option of move to a brand account. So I already have a brand account, I don't need to do anything. Okay, so what you need to do right over here is just go to permissions, and inside permission you'll see owner option. So right over here you'll see the option of invite as well. So if you press on invite, first up you gotta put in the user email. So I'm just gonna put in a user email just like that, and then you have to give them access. So you just need to go give it a manager access. All right, and once you give manager access, you need to put in the email again and then press done. And here, as you can see, now the invitation has been sent. So I just showed that for the video. If you go to the Gmail right over here, you'll see that any minute now the invitation from other account. So if you don't see it directly, you will be able to see it in a while. So you just gotta wait until it's there, and once it's there you can just directly press access, and then you're good to go. So yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can invite or transfer your Google to another account. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.